Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you the basic function and also formula in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already prepared my data, and first thing first, I'm going to show you the basic function that you need to know in Excel. Okay, these are the functions, the basic functions: sum, average, min, max, if, and count. Okay, for the sum, you can use the sum to find the total score. For example, I have score, let's say that this is the exam score of each student in a school, and then we can use the sum function to find the total score, and then average for finding the average value, min for the minimum value, and max for the maximum value. And you can use if to do logical test, and count to count the numeric entries. Okay, and to make you understand about the function, let's do calculation with all this function, and let me show you the formula. Okay, to create a formula, you need to start with the equal sign. Okay, always start with the equal sign, and then you can type in sum as the function, and then we can select the cell like this. Okay, and this is the total score of the student, and then I'm just going to drag the formula, and it will be autofilled. Okay, and for the average, let's find the average value like this. Okay, this is the average score of the student, and let's just drag the formula. Okay, and let's find the minimum score like this. And again, I'm going to drag the formula, and for the max, just type in max. Okay, and then we can select the range, and yeah, just drag it to make it easier. And for the count, I'm just going to type in count and select the cell like this. Okay guys, and for the if function, it will be a little different with the other functions. So we can use this if function to decide something. For example, I'm going to use this function to decide whether the student can pass the test or not. For the student who can get this score, minimum this score, he will pass the test, but if he cannot reach the score, he will fail. And then I'm going to create the formula. We can type in if, and then I'm going to choose the average score, and then I'm going to type in larger or equal to 85. Okay, and then we can type in pass and fail. Okay, and then let's enter it. Okay, the first student can pass the test, and then I'm just going to drag it again, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the explanation from me. I hope you can understand my explanation, and I hope that this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!